We know foundation repairs can be expensive. If you've been told your home needs work, but you can't afford it right now, it's tough and it's stressful. You might be sitting down thinking all is lost, wondering what can you do right now if you don't have the budget for repairs. I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been helping Brazos Valley homeowners for decades. And we know not every problem has to be fixed today. There are ways to manage issues over time, even if the funds for the repairs aren't quite there yet. Here are 3 things you can do even if you don't have a foundation repair budget or any kind of repair budget. Number 1, monitor and measure. Take photos and measurements of the issues that you're seeing in your house. You can even leave what we call tick marks here at Anchor and help you with monitoring, measuring. Knowing what's going on with your house helps you stay in control and prepare you for whenever you are ready to do repairs. Number 2, improving your home's drainage. If your home has gutters, making sure those gutters are clean and working properly can help protect your home from further movement from occurring. It's not a guarantee, but can certainly improve your situation and perhaps maybe slow things down a bit. Of course, if you don't have gutters, we know it's another expensive bill, but something to consider down the road. But at least making sure you have good positive drainage away from your foundation. Number 3, know the warning signs. Learning what's urgent and what can wait can certainly help in determining what your path may be. If you've just got a few small hairline cracks here and there starting to show up, okay, time to go back to step 1, monitor and measure, see what's going on. And then as things progress, then considering starting to plan for that future foundation repair budget. So maybe it might be a good idea to consider financing the work. We know most folks may not have a foundation repair budget set aside. That's okay. Maybe you could still afford a low monthly payment and then still get the work done that you would like to have done. What should you do now? Well, if you're not ready to fix it now, that's okay. You don't have to rush into foundation repairs. It's normal to take your time and figure things out as you go. We can still help you understand what's going on and give you clear answers and help you plan for the future. To help you out even more on your foundation repair journey, we're gonna put a link down below to 2 different articles in the description. Number 1 being 5 reasons you might wait to get your foundation repair started. And number 2 is all about tick marks that you can leave on your home to monitor and measure your foundation situation as time progresses.